Warrant for what?
Don't like the fingers. Spread your legs for me. Spread your legs right in there.
Tell me for what though?
Yeah, I'm gonna take 1 second. Got a traffic warrant.
So you taking me to jail for a traffic warrant?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
we do a period, bro. You didn't show up to court.
I didn't know that. When for what though?
I guess you received a ticket or something that you didn't pay.
I never received a ticket.
Step forward for me. Step forward.
Yo, Ren. Yo, bro. Come.
Wait, don't tell him you got the card.
Stay in the car for us. He's got a warrant.
Yo, Ryan.
Really?
Yeah.
What happened? A warrant for what?
For a traffic warrant. You read it?
Oh. No, his lawyer fixed it.
It's in our system. And he has a suspended license.
What? Let me call. Call the warrant.
Yeah. Yo, give that to Yailin. Just take her back home.
Okay.
Yo, tell my brother where am I going?
Palm Beach County.
Yo, Ren.
Yeah.
Have my bro. I'm going to Palm Beach County Jail. You heard?
Yeah, Palm Beach County Jail.
Gun code. 3228 gun code.
I know.
The address. It was issued back in July.
July? That was supposed to be fixed.
It wasn't.
Yo, Ren.
Once before I got taken. Let me just hit the back seat.
Wait. Car key. In my pocket.
Mhm.
Yeah. Can you just give that to him?
I'm gonna give him that.
Yeah.
$10.
Do another search. You ain't got that on you, just miss her.
Nothing in your shoes.
Take your shoes off. Bring the slip back. Like this. Reach it back. Bring it up to me. Other one. Alright.
It's the key and whatever in his pocket. I don't know if they're gonna make him spend the night and see a judge in the morning, or if they're just gonna give him a new. Right.
His lawyer literally told us in the panel that.
I mean, we checked it in the system, and
Can you give me a
it's
sec?
still there.
Can you just give me 5 minutes to have my phone cut on so you can talk to the lawyer and see what's going on?
I mean, it's in our system.
No, but he might can fax something that
He's gonna have to fax it to our teletype people. That's who handles all that. I can't make the decision to look at a piece of paper and negate a warrant. I don't have that authority. It's in our system. It was confirmed on our end.
because he just came back from DR, went through border international, called his probation officer, was not worn out. We landed in Fort Lauderdale
When was that?
2 days ago.
2 days ago?
Yeah.
I mean, it's a Palm Beach County warrant, so that's Broward.
Well, it all pops up. I'm talking about
So
from
sometimes out-of-state warrants, or out-of-county warrants.
not from international, from the border patrol that should pop up as his own probation.
Right, but excuse me, they wouldn't extradite for that. If this is a Palm Beach County pickup only, so like
I'm saying it's a traffic warrant. It's not a.
Right, it's
You guys
traffic.
can write a ticket.
No, it's a warrant for his arrest.
Oh, it's a warrant for his arrest?
Yeah, it's just based off of a traffic offense. If that makes sense.
Because I know I live in Los Angeles. They have a warrant for arrest. They just leave you up here if I show up here.
No, not here. We have to book them on a warrant. Because they didn't show up for their court.
No, but it's when you don't show up for traffic.
Right, it's failure to appear for a traffic offense. So he got a court date for something, and he didn't go to it. So then now there's a warrant out for his arrest because he failed to appear to his court date. So to just give him another court date on the street, what's to say he's going to show up? He already didn't show up for the last one.
No. The lawyer said he didn't have to.
I'm not saying that the ball wasn't dropped somewhere, but the ball.
Can I just call him so he can just hear it?
You don't have to. You can call. We'll hang out for a minute or two while she does what she's got to do, but